So before I came here, the tour company sent me some literature to read up on, like what they expect, things that you should have, things you must have, things you can bring, things like toiletries, toilet paper, mosquito net, DEET, the spray for mosquitoes. Well, I think they could have clarified the season because there are no mosquitoes right now. Even though most of the places, like hotels, that I did manage to stay in, they did have nets over the beds. Toilet paper, there are lots of stores, shopping places we went to, supermarket, even some Chinese places like Panda.